you guys, what is going on? It's Emily from Livingplantfully, and today we are vlogging. It is going to be our first ever, like, for real vlog video. So we're going to be posting these a little bit more often now. They're going to be called M&Mj Vlogs, featuring MJ,
what's up?
My husband, in case you're not aware of that. So yeah, today is the first day of December, and I'm so excited because I love December. I love Christmas. I love the holidays. So we are actually on our way right now to go buy some Christmas lights, yes, and Christmas decorations. And so yeah, we figured that we would bring you guys along with us, and then when we get back home, you guys can kind of watch us put everything up and watch our house transform from a boring old regular condo to a winter wonderland or a Christmas magical place or whatever. So yeah, so first stop is Big Lots because we figured that it would be a little bit more cheaper, I guess, than going to, you know, some other place. So yeah, we're gonna go to Big Lots and see what we can find there. We're mainly looking for lights for like our little patio or porch or whatever you want to call it, and then maybe a few things for inside because I already do have some stuff, obviously, from past Christmases. But yeah, that's what we're mainly looking for. So yeah, see you at Big Lots. Okay, we are here at Big Lots. We made it. It's freaking cold here. All right, here we go.
Let's get a little cart.
Yeah, let's get a cart just in case. Christmas stuff. Okay, so I'm guessing over there.
Yep.
Okay. So it looks like the Christmas stuff is over here. All right, Christmas lights. What do we want?
Something crystal for that area.
Oh yeah.
Or maybe something like cool white.
Oh, for around the...
Something like this.
Okay. Well, we need to get the outdoor ones too, don't forget. Oh, these are cute. For like the little area around the patio. Or even the little snowflakes is cute too. Okay, well, let's just get some outdoor ones so that we can put around the door and then hang them from the patio.
Okay.
So we need to find...
Multicolored?
Yeah, we can. Let's try to find outdoor ones though. Oh my god, that just scared me. Oh my god, that scared me.
It's copying me. It's copying us. Bruh.
Say it to that one.
Yo.
What the heck? Say so. Go.
Holiday Hoobie Wuddy?
What the? Oh my god. Those are creepy. Let's move along over here. I like these. Put right there by the patio.
The pathway snowflakes.
Yeah, but I don't know. Oh, it comes at 35.
Babe, I already told you,
That's
man.
way too
Our
many.
neighbor's just kind of weird, man.
What about this though?
If you want to put pathway lights, you can, but I'm telling you, babe, our neighbor's weird.
I just want something right there in that little edge. I think that would be really
Okay. Even if it gets puked on.
well.
Long story short, guys, the person that lives above us in the condo, I guess you can say they're our neighbor, barfed over their like patio. Somebody threw up because you could see it in the rocks like beneath the patio, like right in front of ours.
For 12 bucks? That's
the little
not bad.
Christmas.
Yeah. That's not bad at all, huh?
No, not at all.
You want to get those?
Yeah, just do those instead.
So we'll do that, this,
Okay.
and then the multicolored light.
So we got this little outdoor mat right here, this cool outdoor mat, guys, and Emily doesn't really like it, but I really like it because it's like red compared to like the regular old tan color of the core. So let us know in the comments if you like this mat. It's
Yeah.
pretty cool, right?
I mean, it's okay. It's just, it's nice. I like the snowflakes. I just don't know about the red.
I like the red.
Okay. Yeah, let's get it. Be different. All right, well, I think that's it for here.
Okay.
That's it for here.
Yeah, let's go.
So, we're gonna go to Target and see what they have there. Literally right across the street. It's right there. And just across the street. Target. MJ's my little Grinch. Or, I don't call him the Grinch. I call him, what is it? Ebenezer Scrooge.
Ebenezer Scrooge.
Yeah, he's my Ebenezer Scrooge. I'm always the one that's like super pumped and excited for the holidays and Christmas, and he's just like, meh. Right here.
Fa la 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 la. No. We falling on lot on nothing. So we're at the Bullseye's playground right now. It's like Emily's favorite spot. As soon as you come into Target, you always get a Bullseye's playground. Bullseye's the little Target dog. We just found an R. If you didn't know, the last name is
Red Wine. We always put an R in the middle of our like door hangy wreath thing.
nice.
Yeah.
I know. Little tiny baby. So we made it to the Winter Wonderland, guys. Sorry.
Remember we bought like an ornament for every year?
Oh yeah, that's right. We're supposed to
we
buy
have-
something this year too.
We didn't buy one last year.
We didn't?
I think we should get one for all 3 winters that we spent in Italy, like with an Italy flag.
Well, we already had got one for one of the years we were in Italy.
No, we didn't.
Not at all.
Not at all. So
Okay,
we
yeah.
only got one for our first year.
There's a bottle of wine right up there.
You think we should do that for our Italy
Vintage
one?
red.
I don't know. I was thinking like an Italian flag. Do they have an Italian flag? Probably
Doesn't
not.
look like it.
Well, we
That's
can
too
maybe order
specific,
it.
That's what I'm saying.
We can maybe order it on Amazon or something. I think we might just have to DIY a wreath because these ones are really nice but super expensive.
This one says $25 for this little thing, and it's barely anything. It's just like
Yeah.
a couple of fake flowers, some of these little
So,
pine leaves.
This one is $10.
So this one's 10,
And then we can hang.
and then we
this.
can dress it the way that we want it. We can hang the R in the middle.
Obviously, we can do the R in the middle, and then we can maybe do like a bow, you know, and maybe like some snowflakes to match the rug that we got at Big Vlogs.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Let's do that.
Dang, that's nice.
That is really, really nice.
How much is it?
25 bucks. That's cute.
Just real quick, guys, had to show you this donut. This looks
Ornament.
better than Emily's chocolate spice cake donut.
Thanks.
Just want to take a bite out of it. It's really soft too.
Let me see
It's
it.
so weird. Look at it. It looks
What
real.
the heck? That does look real.
Looks really good too. I'm hungry. You haven't noticed. Just check this out. They have little stockings that have the letters on here. So we're gonna find Nolly and Hope one of these little tiny ones down here.
Oh my goodness.
So we're looking for a white one that has
An N.
an N, because we're gonna get the white one for Nolly, right? And then we're gonna find a red one that says H for Hope, but it looks like we're not having any success right now. So let me see real quick. J B.
This one's cute too.
Come on, baby, you gotta find it. Move them out of the way. There's gotta be an N under here somewhere, and an H under here
I'm literally
somewhere.
not seeing any N's or
There's an
H's.
A. It's like the same letters, right?
Yeah, I see S, B.
There's the E's.
E.
They're down here. You just gotta look.
Oh, an N. I found an N.
Oh my gosh,
It's
she
the
found
opposite.
it.
It's opposite, but it's an N.
We'll keep it. We'll take it.
Yeah, let's take this one. Nolly.
Nolly.
So we need to find an H.
We need to find an H for Hope. I haven't found it. Oh my gosh.
Nolly and
we have it. We found them.
How cute. Oh, babe, there was an N over there too for Nolly.
I know, I just found that one.
Oh, okay.
It was after. Yeah, it was after you had already found it. So
okay, so there's
we
our
got an H and an
babies.
N, they're opposite. So there's the girls' stockings.
Now we gotta get ours.
We should just get like a joint stocking. Yeah?
Yeah, we can do that.
Get that one.
This one?
No, this one.
The extra sparkly one?
This one.
Oh, isn't that too long though?
For both of us, babe.
I know, but I don't think it's gonna fit on top of the fireplace.
On top? Isn't it gonna hang off?
Yeah, it's gonna hang off with a little.
It's not real fire.
I know, but I still want it. Oh, look. We can just get this one for the red ones.
Okay.
What do you think?
Sure.
And then that way it matches the girls. So it'll be red wine for us, and then it'll have.
And it has the red and white stripes, and there's this whole solid colors. So yeah, that works. And as we're exiting the store, Emily has to walk through the kitchen utensils aisle. And she's hitting the clearance racks.
50% off, guys, on fall stuff right now. Hey guys, so it is the next day. Yesterday we kind of got a little occupied or whatever, but we're here at Macy's today with my parents who don't want to be in the vlog.
I'm in the video, right?
Yeah, we're MJ and M&Mj Vlogs. So we're here at the mall today, and we're just gonna look around, and then later on we're gonna actually put up our Christmas decor. So yeah, here at Macy's today. They might have some Christmas decor here, right?
Maybe.
So right now Pink is having a 10 for $35 plus 30% off. So your girl is gonna cop some. Copped.
I'm dead. Emily and her mom are in pink. So me and Joffrey, Emily's dad, we came over here and look what we found. Just strolling around the mall. Pretty cool, pretty dope. Watch this. Wow, look at that. It's an ice skating rink. Cool.
Yep, I know.
Only in Colorado. Pile of snow. Look at the fire, how it's coming up off the rocks. That's like some Harry Potter-ish right there. That's Harry Potter stuff.
So 10 years later, I have my undies. I split it with my mom. Beautiful out here.
Come over here and take a picture of me, man.
Oh look, that is so cute. Oh my goodness, babe, look, you're gonna go ice skating?
Oh no, not I.
How cool is that? Oh my
Look at the
gosh.
tree.
I know, it's gorgeous.
Up all the way, you gotta let them see this top of the tree, the star. There you go. Nice.
Cute. Look at this little, it's nice and toasty right here. Just sit down next to it.
Yeah, it's real, feels real good, guys.
So I think that we are leaving the mall now. Gonna go to. Okay, so my parents just left. We had a little dinner, whatever, with them. So now MJ's eating, as per usual. I did not find what I was looking for at the store. As far as Christmas decoration goes, we're gonna just do with what we have. So yeah, join us, won't you?
We're about to work on this wreath right here. So I'm recording Emily while she's doing this wreath. This wreath, all together, all of the components would cost the same amount as a wreath that's already made, but this is gonna be customizable for you, and we're just gonna show you how we working with that. So let's take a look.
Okay, so we showed you guys obviously earlier at the store yesterday when we got it. So this is just a wreath. This was $10.
$10.
Yeah, $10. Then we got this bow, which was $5. And then we got this little R, $1. And then we got these little snowflakes, which were $3. It's 2 of them. And then we got these battery operated dewdrop lights, which were
just wrapping around all together. This thing was around like 25 bucks.
Yeah. This is all from Target, as you saw yesterday. So I'm not sure if I want the bow on the top or the bottom yet, so I'm just gonna put that first and then kind of see how I want it to be. Oh, we should probably put the lights on first, huh?
Yeah, I wrapped the lights around there first.
Okay, so I'm just spreading the branches out basically because they're kind of like clumped together. So I'm just putting the batteries in here. This is the little lights. See, oh, those are so cute. Then I want to have the light on. Branches. Yeah, I want to have the light on so that I can see where the lights are being placed. All right, so
there we go.
Can turn that off for now. So here is the bow, and the bow like has this little thing right here.
It's like a little like bread tie.
Yeah, pretty much. It's a
twisty tie.
So then you should just be able to wrap that around.
Just get the branches out of the way.
Yeah.
Already looking good.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna attach the snowflakes. The snowflakes go with our
the rug, but let's go ahead and put this in the middle. This is our little monogram letter.
Yep, where we hanging that joker?
Just right in the middle like this. So what do you think? Just like this?
Yeah.
In the middle? Okay. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tie it up with the same thing.
Okay.
So I'm just tying it up with the same exact thing. I'm just looping it in
there with it.
With it,
so
yeah.
You hold this up so you don't have to hold that up.
So I'm just looping it in there with that together and then tying it again.
And then when you bring it to the front, you rearrange it the way that you want.
Yeah.
The ribbon in the back. Pull the ribbon somewhat. There we are. Give you a little sneak peek. Bam. Look at that.
That's already
wow,
cute,
that is cute just like that.
Yeah.
It's rocking. You're good, baby. You know what you're doing.
So I'm not sure how we're gonna attach these because they have this little thing.
So what I'm thinking is
go like this.
And then hook it on there.
And then it can just kind of hang like it does on a tree, like
exactly.
An ornament. Like
bam. That's good.
Nice and pretty.
That's good. Now you just pull this out right here.
We'll do these little guys out, just like that.
There we go. Okay guys, this is my doing, kind of ghetto, but it works. So we just put like 2 little pieces of packing tape.
That's on the back.
While we wound up the battery, so all you have to do is just come back here. You can just pop it on and off.
Yeah.
During the night, or during the daytime rather. Then right here, Emily had an idea to hook it.
Because I feel like this isn't gonna be secure enough, just this little bread tie thing. So I have here some floral wire. So I'm just gonna come under here. So this is the actual wreath hook, or the wreath, you know, wire.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna come behind here basically and make like a little hook so that we can hook it on our command strip, or our command thing that's in the outside.
Yep, perfect. And you just, you know, tie it up a little bit.
Just tie that
so it's
up.
Nice and strong.
And then we can just hang it like that.
There it is, guys. Nice and set up. Yes, sir. And it gives the area, our area, a little bit of light. So there's the welcome sign. It matches perfectly.
Super cute DIY.
And then super cute DIY wreath, guys, right there.
Yay.
So we just got done setting up the wreath.
That's it for this week's vlog, M&Mj Vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along with us to our little adventure, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah guys, thanks so much for watching. Like this video if you want more videos like this. If you enjoy M&Mj Vlogs.
If you like this, leave a comment and tell us like what you would like to see us do.
Let us know in the comment section down below. If you have not subscribed yet, of course go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we will see you guys next week.
Bye.